Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix iPhone is disable connect to iTunes. Most users update their iPhone and iPad device by over the air directly from their device or using iTunes on their Windows or Mac computer. But advanced users prefer to install iOS updates using the IPSW firmware file that are available to download by the developer console or iTunes. Download the correct iOS IPSW firmware file. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. First, open the iTunes software. Then turn off your iPhone. Hold home button and then plug USB connect with PC. Click cancel. Then press the shift key on the keyboard and click on restore iPhone option. Then select the download firmware file on your computer. Then select file. Click restore. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.